Hello guys, my name is Anya Ruban. My lesson number is URT24A1106. Today I am going to explain exercise number 5, configuration, testing and troubleshooting of dynamic routing protocols RIP V1 and V2 in my computer networks laboratory. So the primary objective of this lab is to develop practical skills in configuring Cisco packet routers who operate using RIP dynamic routing protocol. So it is focused on understanding distance vector mechanics, managing routing timers, and implementing floating static routers to ensure network redundancy and path optimization. So RIP-V2 is the Internet Gateway Protocol (IGP) that uses distance vector algorithm to determine the best path to the destination. Unlike its predecessor, RIP-V2 supports classless routing and avoids loops by building effective network topology. The protocol utilizes hop count metric, which each router of or layer 3 device in the path counts as one hop. It operates with an administrative distance of 120, which serves up as preference value for the iOS select the best route when multiple protocols are active. To maintain a routing table, RIP relies on 4 specific timers: update timer, invalid timer, hold on timer, and flush timer. So the procedure is you have to initially interface configuration. So we have to build the network topology by interconnecting 5 routers using gigabit Ethernet or fast Ethernet, a configuration loopback interface on each routers, and we have to assign IP addresses to all physical interfaces and use the most shutdown command to activate them. And second one is RPv2 protocol setup. So we have to enter the routing protocol configuration and enable version 2 global HO support for all the classless networks. And we have to use some network commands for the followed by the class network address to enable protocol and required interfaces. So on route 1 and 5, we will be execute redistribute connected to share the loopback line networks with the rest of the RP database. And third one is floating state route implementation. So we have to deactivate RAP on lower speed fast Ethernet links between R2 and R3 using no network command. So next we will be configuring a manual static route with client subnet using administrative distance of 130, and we have to point the manual static route the fast Ethernet to your NXCOP IP addresses. It's an example is given. We have to use this redistribute static command within RB configuration to advertise this backup path to other routers. And fourth step, we will be verifying and testing. To verify end-to-end connectivity between client networks, we will be ping the this 10.2.2.2 source 10.1.1.1 command from on1. We have to use this trace command to analyze path and confirm the packets before the gigabit Ethernet route via R4 due to lower AD of RIP 120 compared to floating route 130. So we have to manually shut down gigabit interfaces to force the routing table to install all the floating static route and verify that connectivity remains uninterrupted. So this is the output of it. The packet is sending through it. So the lab will demonstrate the configuration of RIPv2 to achieve full network convergence.